Now you see that next part radius of the orbit of the electron and velocity of the electron. Okay, now you consider two nucleus, one first orbital we are taking to the nucleus and first orbital you take that an electron revolve around to the nucleus, already you know that. Okay, so nucleus ko the first orbital ko in between of the gap is a radius, so that is a radius. Now we have to find out the radius value. Okay, so now you see the electron is moving in the orbital, means we need the we need that force. Okay, that is a electrostatic attraction provide the centrifugal force. It's a it's through the Coulomb's law base பண்ணி தான் என்ன ஆகுது, the Coulomb's law சொல்ற மாதிரி electrostatic attraction provide the centripetal force or accelerations. Okay va, so அதனால அது என்னது electron வந்து அந்த centripetal force நோக்கி என்ன ஆகுது, revolve ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு, revolve in the nth orbital of the radius. Okay va, so next we find out that radius, next speed, volume. Okay, speed of the Vn we have to find out. Okay, so now nucleus na what is the nucleus? Nucleus is a proton plus a neutron, right? Proton always in the positive charge, neutron is a neutral. Okay, neutron is a neutral, they will be not a charge, it is not having to the charge, it is a neutral only. So now we are here, we are taking to the positive charges. Why means the nucleus la proton positive charges la we will be take to that positive charge. Okay, so next it is a Z is a atomic number of the atom. So now we are taking to the Z, now we are taking to the Z. Z is already you know that Z is a atomic, which atoms we are taking, that atomic numbers. Okay, next plus V is a charge of the nucleus. Why we are taking to the nucleus plus charges, means it is a proton, it's having to that proton, so we are taking that. So next is a minus E. Minus E is a charge of the electron. So charge of the electron revolve around in the orbit, no, that is the minus, that is a negative charge, that is negative charge is from the Coulomb's law. The Coulomb's law. The force of the attraction between the two particles, one is a nucleus, another one is a electrons. Okay, now we go to that calculations. So now I am taking to the Coulomb force. Okay, and the force vector Coulomb equivalent, already you know that formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So there Coulomb's law, what we are doing, Q1 into Q2, that is a positive and negative we are taking. So now we are changing and taking that positive atomic number electron and negative electron divided by Rn squared. Rn squared means what happened, it is a radius. Okay, so next Rn cap. Okay, so next you see that how to it's a change in the small change of the equation. So now you see plus into minus, it's a minus. So after that you are rearrange the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is Z E squared by Rn squared n cap, right? So now that secondary we are taking to the centrifugal force. So the centrifugal force is a very important one. So that force also we want to calculate. So the centrifugal force and the Coulomb's law force, the both it's a relating. We want to relate pandro. That rendathu relate panni we have to take to that radius value. Okay. So now you see that force of the centrifugal. So equivalent to what, that is centrifugal force equivalent to mvn squared by Rn. So this is the R cap. So now it's a both, it's a related. Every number relate panona modulus of F Coulomb's vectors, modulus of F centrifugal vectors. Okay, so we have to apply to the formula. Both it's a substitute that. So now you see that we want to that Rn, the radius only we want to find out. So Rn we are here having to the Rn, both side having to the Rn squared having Rn having. So Rn you are going to that side. Others and all you are going to this side, means is coming to the divided. Okay, so Rn equal to mvn squared 4 pi epsilon naught Rn squared divided by Z E squared. Okay, you don't strike out that E squared and 4 squared. We see that now we are doing to the multiplication and divided both up and down. It's a multiplication and divided by the m. Okay, so now it's here this side up and down here multiply that m1 divided m square, m multiply means what come here, coming to the m into m, here also coming to the m, right? So appa m squared vn squared 4 pi epsilon naught r n squared come. So next down coming to the z m e square come, right? So this is the r n value. Okay, so next you see that second so this is the first concept, Bohr-Auto model. So second concept of the Bohr-Auto model we have to take to that, since it's a revolving, there will be a angular momentum. So the since what that electrons are revolving around in the circular, it's creating the angular momentum. Okay, wow. So that we are taking to the L already you know that L equal to m v n r n. So அதை நம்ம எப்படி Bohr-Auto model change பண்ணோம், the previous section you saw that, right? n h dash, okay wow. So we consider to the nth orbital we are considering, n is a nth orbital we are considered. Okay wow. Now you see that so Rn equal to 4 pi epsilon naught m n v n. So you see that here having to the m squared v square v n squared r n squared இதெல்லாம் காமனா நான் எடுத்துக்கேன். So whole brackets and divided by z e squared m. So this is here what we are taking to that L. This is what it's a angular momentum. So angular momentum we are taking to the L. Okay, now you see that L squared Rn equal to 4 pi epsilon naught L squared by z e squared m. So Rn equal to, now you see that the L squared value we have to apply to L oda value what we are taking n h dash, right? So n dash இது L, அப்ப L square na n square h dash square வரும். So now we are taking here 4 pi epsilon naught n squared h dash squared by h e squared m. So h oda value what we are taking that flank constant mala h by 2 pi h by 2 pi h dash. Okay, so that value you have to substitute that h dash square la this value of substitute means what happen, 4 pi epsilon naught n squared h squared divided by z e squared m 4 pi epsilon squared. So அதை வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா 2 2 4 pi squared இட்ஸ் pi squared வரும். ஸோ அப்போ இங்கே 4 4 கேன்சல் ஆகும், இங்கே pi squared இருக்கு, ஒரு 5 கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் Rn ஈக்குவல் டு எப்சிலான் நாட் h squared n squared by e squared m z. So now you see that in the epsilon naught h squared by e squared m, it's a constant value. So will be taken. So that constant value how to we are taking means the value of a naught. We are taking to the a naught. So that value is you 0.529 Armstrong. Okay, so the Rn value. So the Rn value formula is a Rn, that's a radius of the formula Rn equal to a naught n squared by m. Sorry, z. Okay, wow. So now the z atomic value is 1. So atomic value is 1. So அப்போ 1 cancel ஆகி 1 இங்கே apply பண்ணனா a Rn oda value a naught n squared only coming. So now that n is a nth term இல்லையா, so அப்போ ஒவ்வொரு ஆர்பிட்டாலும் இருக்கும். So we have to apply to the n oda value 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a keep on going on the structure of the atom. Okay, now you see that we have to take into the n equal to 1. n equal to 1 you are taking means Rn equal to a oda value 0.529 Armstrong into n oda value 1. We are applying to the 1 n into n square upper squared at 0.529 come. Okay, so next you see apply to the 2. Upper 2 na 0.529 into 2 square na 4 oda multiply பண்ணீங்கனா values கிடைக்கும். So what happened, so this is the Rn directly proportional to the n squared. So how to we are telling me the Rn directly proportional to n squared na each orbitalum the radius உடைய orbital level வந்து அந்த orbital வந்து ஒவ்வொன்றா இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே போகும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா அந்த என்னோட அந்த ஆருடைய ரேடியஸ் லெவல் ஸ்மாலாக இருக்கும்போது ஸ்மாலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதனுடைய சென்ட்ரிஃபிட்டல் ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸபிளாக இருக்கும். அது லிமிட் பண்ணுற எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக் ரேஸ் வந்து ரேடியேஷன் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸபிளாக இருக்கும். So or that radius level is increases means this is a very small quantity only. Okay, this is the case of the radius. Okay, so next you see the small velocity of the electron. So you take to that the same values, the L equal to m v n r n, that value you are taking that velocity the same like only. So now m v n a naught n squared z. So Rn oda value what here, find out the Rn value a naught n squared by z. So now we are taking to that. So z value it's here 1, okay va. So 1 means we are coming to that here. So mvn we are taking here n h by 2 pi, okay va. So now here this value and this value, okay va. So now you want to do the velocity value ன்றனால velocity vn மட்டும் அப்படியே வச்சிட்டு மீதி எல்லாம் இந்த ஈக்குவலுக்கு இந்த ஸ்டேட் கொண்டு போனீங்கன்னா what come nh divided by 2 pi m a naught n squared come, okay va. So now you see arrange that n squared யும் இந்த n இந்த square n cancel பண்ணுங்க அப்ப ஒரு n balance இருக்கும். So vn equal to is n z divided by a pi a m a naught n ன்னு வரும். So z already I said it's a value, it's a 1, so no need for here do that z ஏனா இங்கே நம்ம போடல அதனால இங்க போட வேணாம், ஓகேவா. சோ அப்ப இந்த h divided by 2 pi m a naught is a constant value. So அப்ப vn is a what inversely proportional to the 1 by n. So this is the velocity. Thank you children, this lesson is finished.